What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with Home and Entrepreneur, and today I want to explain to you what the one tool you need to make money online actually is. Most people think you need a website and you need this huge brand and you need all this stuff, and it's actually very simple, and it is none of that. Alright, so what is it? It's actually an email list. Alright, an email list. You go out there and you put up some landing pages, some offers, people go and subscribe to your list, and now you have a decent sized following. You don't have a huge brand, you don't have a huge Instagram account or Facebook following, or even million people on YouTube. All you have is the people from your email list. When you target people through an email list, you have a lot more options. Alright, so one thing I just want to explain to you, when I first got started, people like John Chow, Jeremy Shoemaker, Frank Kern, Pat Flynn, a lot of these bigger names were all saying you need an email list. 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 And I didn't believe any of them. Okay, so for the first year or something like that, I didn't have an email list. And what I can tell you is, if I would have started sooner, my list would have been bigger. I would have been able to make more money, and I'd have a lot more options. All right. So here's what I want to show you. This right here is ConvertKit. This is $29 a month. All right. This one right here is Aweber. It's $19 a month. However, for a limited time, this right here is called MailingBoss. And here's the cool part: it's unlimited email marketing forever. Okay. You have unlimited everything. Unlimited lists, unlimited campaigns, unlimited emails, unlimited subscribers. You are good to go. And guess what? Okay? This costs $50. It's a one-time payment only. Okay? No ongoing fees. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can go and try it out. Okay? Let me show you kind of what it looks like. Here it is. Okay? I personally do use ConvertKit. And it's actually now called Siva, but I use ConvertKit. You can see the different prices. $29 for 0 to 1,000 subscribers. Between 1,000 and 3,000, I use subscribers, $49, so on and so forth. Right? The reason why I use this is because up until today, okay, as of was this July 27th, this was not available. All right. So yes, I am going to buy into this, and I'm going to see what it does and how my conversion rates look from here versus ConvertKit, but I'm still going to get this. Okay, $50 one-time payment. You don't have any caps. There's no limits. All right. So I'm gonna put a link to this page right here so you can go check it out. But again, if you are in the whole business to make money online, doesn't matter if you're doing e-commerce, you have a real estate business, you are trying to get leads, you're in the make money online space, it doesn't matter. You need an email list. And I'm here to tell you, if I would have started a year sooner when everyone else was saying you need an email list, I'd be better off today than I am right now. The reason I mentioned this, the whole email marketing software, is because you need some type of software that will work for you. All right. Now there's things like MailChimp where you get up to 2,000 subscribers and it doesn't cost you anything, but you can't promote any type of affiliate marketing offer. All right. They don't like affiliate marketers. With MailingBoss, it's not like that. As an affiliate marketer, myself, I can use them because they don't mind. It's just like Aweber and ConvertKit in a way. Yes, they do accept affiliate marketers, but at the same time, they don't want people just spamming their email list. And that's exactly what MailingBoss is here to do, is take over that big, huge payment that you're making every single month. Maybe it's only $30, $50, $100, or it could be thousands of dollars, but it's a $50 one-time fee, and you can start creating your email list, start building your subscriber base with that right now. And it doesn't take a whole lot of time and effort. Now, let me show you something. Okay, it's very simple. All you gotta do, so let's say I create a new list. New list here. Display name. This is my new list. Description. This is a test list for YouTube. Okay. Now, obviously, you're gonna do better stuff than that. Click continue. It's pretty simple, okay? And you can see right here, general data. Do I want a double opt-in or do I want single? Opt out, double or single, okay? Hit next. Okay, and so here's my thing. I have an email field and I want the first name, okay? There we go, and maybe, do I want this? Sure, why not? Let's add that to it. As soon as we do that, we hit Save Changes. Here we go, okay? You got all these different things. You can change a lot of this stuff. We're just on the defaults right here, all right? Okay, we can go and change our welcome email. Once we do that, we're going to click Save and Next. I'm not going to go and change any of this stuff, but you could. Okay, there we go. Okay, and now here are our subscriber growth, our campaign growth. Okay, we got a lot of different things. We can go into the quick links. We can adjust things. We can go and do our forms. There's a lot of options here, right? Okay, see our subscribe form. There we go. All we got to do is take this, copy it, and paste it wherever we need it, and that will be our form. It's that simple. Okay, so yeah, ConvertKit, it's a great software. I highly recommend it. If somebody's really out there and they're really trying to build their email business, I recommend it. But at the same time, MailingBoss and this offer, okay, the $50 one-time fee was not available, before today. So that's why I use ConvertKit. Will I get this? Yes, I'm going to get this. I'm going to do that right now, and I probably am going to move a lot of my subscribers over. Okay, it's just the way it is. Save money, get the exact same results, and it works, and it's all good. So my number one tip, anybody that wants to make money online, the one tool you need is an email list. And if you don't have one yet, go get this right here, okay? This is only available for a limited time. I'm not sure how long, okay? Discount for a limited time only. I'm not sure exactly how long, they haven't said. However, I know it's not going to be forever. It never is. The good things never last. So go and get it. Again, $50, one-time fee. You're good to go. You got your email list. You can start setting it up. You can start making money with it. And you can really change your life and your subscribers' lives as well. So if you have any questions on MailingBoss or even Builderall, which Builderall is a different platform, different kind of software, I can kind of talk you through that and give you some suggestions as well on how to really scale your online business using email marketing. All right. So if you enjoyed today's video, if you learned something, if you're going to go out there and get this $50 deal, go do that. Again, the link is down in the description box below. Hit that thumbs up button if you're just having a great day today. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.